Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to master Outlook tasks, a complete guide to creating, managing, and organizing your tasks so you can stay on top of work and personal responsibilities effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, accessing Outlook is simple. Open your browser, head to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page, and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, creating an account takes just a minute. Once you're in, navigate to Tasks by clicking the To-Do icon, that checked box at the lower left corner. This opens your task pane where all the action happens. To create a new task, hit New Task at the top. Give your task a clear title using action verbs like Call Client or Review Proposal. Set a due date and reminders to stay on track, and add optional notes or links for quick reference. Once done, click Add or Save. And don't worry, you can always edit tasks later if priorities change. Now, to organize your tasks, group them into lists such as work, personal, or urgent. Outlook makes it easy by automatically syncing your tasks across all devices, web, desktop, and mobile, so you can access and update them anytime, anywhere. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you're ready to take full control of your tasks in Outlook. If this guide helped you stay productive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.